All right, Grayscale Digital Currency Group, you guys know, is behind Grayscale. We call them out all the time for the scammy institution that they are. But Grayscale argues the SEC's Bitcoin ETF treatment could violate the APA. So we're continuing to talk about this ETF. Continues to be a big news, big story. The SEC rejected VanEck's proposal for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Grayscale still has an application from the agency to convert its GBTC product, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, to an ETF. Grayscale sent a letter to the SEC claiming the agency's willingness to approve a futures-based product, but not a spot product, is arbitrary and capricious, or capricious, I guess that word. It could constitute a violation of the Administrative Procedural Act. In the wake of the Securities and Exchange Commission's most recent Bitcoin exchange rate fund rejection, Grayscale is pushing back. SEC took a similar approach to VanEck. Really what this is they are really trying to position themselves as the arbiter of what is fair in crypto instead of the SEC. And is this a power move to try to get the SEC to go ahead and approve this? Is this maybe reverse psychology from Grayscale? Here is the good news. Or not really good news. Here's the news. It doesn't matter what they do or what they say. This is all posturing. I'm sure Grayscale knows that this spot ETF is not getting approved anytime soon. Dirty Gary Gensler has already said that he has interest in approving products under the 40 Act, which are the futures ETFs, the fake money ETFs. But the 33 Act, or the spot future or the spot ETF settled in Bitcoin, he does not believe that they are ready and that the standards are met yet for that. So, the SEC continues to talk out of both sides of their mouth. But if you really listen to Dirty Gary Gensler, he really all year has been cueing his moves before he does them. He said right there, not going to approve a spot ETF. You look at what he did with stablecoins. We're talking about stablecoin regulation for a while. That is the number one area we need to be paying attention to, is stablecoins. In the next 6 months, I believe stablecoin staking will be on life support. So we will see what happens with that. A guy came up to me yesterday and he asked me at the conference, he said, my plan is to stake all my money in stablecoins over the bear market. Is that a good idea? I said, well, yeah, of course it's a good idea, but I don't think it's going to matter. I don't think your plan is going to matter, because I don't think that they're going to allow you to do it. At the beginning, they will. And I have reason to believe that within 6 months, we are looking at massive stablecoin regulation.